Welcome back to Dad's Expensive Hobbies, the spot where collectibles come to life. Today, I've got something that's straight out of the Marvel universe and built for muscle car fans. We're taking a closer look at the 124 scale Gt 2006 Ford Mustang GT, Captain America Edition. Right out of the package, this one is already a showstopper. You've got the bold Captain America artwork across the box, a window display so you can admire the ride, and even a matching die-cast Cap figure armed with his iconic shield. Jada really nailed the presentation here. Once you pull it out, this Mustang instantly commands attention. Finished in a patriotic blue with red and white accents, the car carries the spirit of Steve Rogers himself. On the side doors, you get the stylized white wings, while the rear quarter panel proudly displays the Avengers logo. And check out those red chrome 5-spoke wheels. They pop perfectly against the blue body. Up front, the classic Mustang grille is highlighted with the pony badge sitting dead center, flanked by crystal-clear headlights. The lower bumper has extra detailing with mesh vents and a gold splitter line that adds a custom performance touch. Swing down to those wheels. Bright red lips, chrome spokes, and even rivet details make them look like they're ready for the track. And this Jada diecast isn't just about looks, it's packed with working features. Let's look under the hood, and you'll find a detailed chrome engine block with sculpted parts that really stand out. Both doors open to reveal the black interior, complete with steering wheel, shifter, and bucket seats. Around the back, you've got a big spoiler that ties the whole muscle meat superhero vibe together. Of course, it wouldn't be Captain America's ride without Cap himself. The included die-cast Captain America figure is fully suited up in red, white, and blue, with his shield ready for battle. Display him right next to the Mustang, and it's like he just hopped out ready to lead the Avengers. So there it is, the 2006 Ford Mustang GT Captain America Edition by Jada Toys. A perfect mashup of American muscle and Marvel heroics. Whether you're a car collector, a Marvel fan, or both, this one deserves a spot in your collection. If you enjoyed this showcase, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Dad's Expensive Hobbies, and check out more unboxings, turntable showdowns, and epic die-cast reviews. Until next time, keep die-casting and God bless.